Every knife has an edge. Keeping it sharp is not just about cutting, it's about safety, precision, and respect for your craft. Have you ever wondered what happens when a knife gets blunt? The edge mushrooms, folding over instead of slicing cleanly. This is a knife that needs to be honed. Honing realigns the microscopic edge of the knife. This is a sharp knife. See how the edge is straight. A honed knife glides for clean cuts, no force, no tearing. Hold the steel vertical, keep the angle consistent, and use gentle strokes, getting the whole blade. Remember, honing is about alignment, not pressure. It doesn't remove metal, it straightens the blade that bends with use. Unlike sharpening, respect the edge. Hone regularly. Sharpen only when needed. Let's get to work.